I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. We are moving along with our mystery quilt and you guys making such a wonderful progress and a beautiful blocks. I am so proud of you. Thank you so much for sharing them with us and tagging us on all the pictures. Oh, it has been just amazing. Mystery 2021 is the hashtag, so go look at the blocks. They are beautiful. So today we are making block number 11 and you have got so good in half square triangle, quarter square triangle, 4 patches, all these beautiful, wonderful shapes. Nice and simple, but just wait, you see the results shortly. We only have 1 block to go and you're gonna have your mystery quilt done. Today's block called Square in a Square. We're gonna cut a blue square for the center and we're gonna frame this beautiful blue square with triangles. I chose some lovely fabrics for today and the fabrics are from our Perfect Union collection and I chose 2 blues and 2 lights, 1 dark blue, 1 medium blue, and 2 lights. This one has a beautiful little leaves and a little gold with it. I love this one. I think this one may be perfect for a center for our beautiful quilt. So look at this. We have the square cut at 3 3/8. The half square triangles are cut 2 7/8. For all the recipes, make sure you visit our blog at Laundry Basket Quilts. It gives you the exact cutting measurements, so please go there to cut your pieces. And I'm gonna start on this wonderful block right now with you. I'm gonna start by sewing my triangles on opposite side. I'm gonna do this side first. I'm gonna position my triangle, sticking the little bunnies on each side. If you do not know how to position it, easy way is to fold it gently, just pinch it to crease it. Then you do the same thing with your triangle, just very gently crease it, and then you match crease to crease, and you're gonna go ahead and take a beautiful pin and you pin it right there through the middle and you're gonna stitch it now. So that way you know you center up this triangle right where it's supposed to be. Then you're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on this side, sew it and flip it open. You're gonna push your seam allowance towards the blue, and I start one for you right here so that way you can have it to see it. So look at this. All that I'm gonna do is now finger press right there my seam allowance towards the blue, finger press. Perfect. Now it's time to place the triangle on this side, center it up, sew it. Do the same thing on this side, center it up, sew it. Perfect. And now look at this. Doesn't look wonderful? What I'm gonna do is before I open my triangles, I'm gonna clip those bunny ears right here because I don't need an extra bulk where I have to sew my blocks later on together. So right there, open it up and open it up, and this time I'm pushing the seam allowance towards the light. As soon as you finish, you're gonna press it, then you're gonna go ahead, grab your little ruler and square things up. I need to press it with the iron so it looks nice and crisp. I have one already done for you. Look at this. So you're going to make 16 of this color option, then you're going to make 5 of this color option. I know you got used to it that you're gonna do things 12, 8, 4. We're making 4 for the quilt and we're gonna make 1 for the center. So that's why we need 5 of those. Oh, I am so excited for you. Guess what? Tomorrow, bittersweet day. It's gonna be our last block and I don't get to see you anymore making our mystery quilt, but tomorrow I will be there for you and we're gonna wrap things up for block number 12. Thank you so much for joining me. This Mystery 2021 has been just wonderful and I look forward to see you. Happy quilting!